everybody, it's Crystal. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So today is August the 3rd. It's super smoking hot here where I live in South Central Illinois. It's either like really hot here, like busting 3 digits, or it's super raining like 5 inches. So we just back and forth. I think it's gonna rain tonight. Anyways, how's the weather where you're at? You should let me know in the comments. So thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you some yarn. You guys want to look at some yarn? I bought some yarn from Hobbii. Hobbii is based in Denmark, if you did not know. If you're new and you don't know about them, I like Hobbii a lot. It's Hobbii. Hobbii. Some people will call it Hobbii. Either or. But yes, they are in Denmark, and they have some really nice yarns. I think sometimes that their yarn can be expensive, but they have really amazing sales. So I always buy during their sales. And I did. I bought a little bit of stuff from their sales, and then I swore off the mystery bags for at least 6 months. But someone emailed me and told me that they could be putting different cakes in their mystery bags again, so I bought a few. That's Darla. You guys know Darla, the crafty owl? You should check out her YouTube channel. I love her. I'll put a link below. You guys should subscribe to her. She does nice yarn content and tutorials. You guys will really like her. Anyways, I'll show you what I got. So let's look at it. So it came today. Hobbii has great customer service. I can't say anything bad about Hobbii. Never. I've bought from them a bunch of times. Their yarn is nice. They have, like I said, extremely good sales. I always recommend signing up to their mailing list. Excellent customer service. Shipping wise, I can't tell you about, like, I always pay for the express shipping. So it always gets to my house in just like 3 days from Denmark to Illinois. But they do have it set up where you can get, like, it's cheaper shipping or free, I think, if you spend so much. I don't know what that is. I don't know how much that is quite and how long it takes. But mine always, when I pay for the express, it's always here, like really smoking fast. Alright, so I'll show you what I got here. I'm super excited. So I sat there and I waited. I've been wanting these. This is the cotton. If you watch my channel a lot, you'll know that I got one of these in my cake mystery bags a few months ago. And I sat there and bought more of them because it's inexpensive to buy their cakes if you buy the mystery bag. You just don't know what you're going to get. And I waited and waited to get another one because normally these are like $40 or something a piece, close to it on a regular basis. But I never got one. So I waited and waited for them to go on sale, and they went on sale. So I actually bought 3 of them. So now I have a total of 4. So I'm going to double up 2 together and 2 together, and I'm going to make a project with them. It's going to take, it would normally have taken 2 cakes, but I'm going to double it so it's not so thin, and which I really don't like to do. But since this is these cakes are all the same, as you can see, it's not going to make a noticeable difference in the color change. So I'm super stoked to get those. If you're not familiar with the Cotton Kings, these are the Cotton Kings Sultan Deluxe. I think these are the king of all the Cotton Kings. In my opinion, they are the best. And the ones with sparkles. The deluxe with sparkles. Those are really pretty too. These are, I have a few projects I've made. These make wonderful, beautiful shawls. I have maybe 3 or 4 shawls made out of them. Tutorials on my channel. You should check it out. They are 100% cotton, and there's about 1,100 yards. But it is, like I said, a sport weight, number 2. I have difficulty working with that. So that's why I'm going to put 2 of them together for my project that I'm going to make with it. But I'm excited to finally get them. I waited for them to come on sale for a long time because I really can't justify paying $35 or $40 for them. But they were on sale, so I paid what they were. Now, maybe you guys have seen this before. I like this yarn a lot, and I've used it before. This is their cookie yarn. It was on sale too, I believe, for $11 cake, which was, I think it was about 40% off, maybe. Something like that. $11 a cake isn't bad for this yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and there's about 670 yards or so in one of these. It's roving style, and I believe they classify it. I think it's about a 4-weight. That's about what it is right there. Now they have a lot of pretty colors. This one's color number 9. So I got 2 of those. So I have over 1,300 yards there. Those are beautiful, aren't they? Wow. Very purpley. I don't know how to find a fuchsia and purple kind of. That's pretty. These are very similar to, only bigger. Lion Brand Ferris Wheel. And I think it's thick, a little thicker too. Or a Red Heart Roll With It Melange, if you've ever heard of that. These are very similar. Even some of the colors are very much the same. But the cakes are bigger. And the yarn is a little thicker, I think, than the Ferris Wheel. But I like the Ferris Wheel too from Lion Brand. And then I got this one, which is the same. It's a different color. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Now, this is a busy yarn, so it's going to take a special project. I think maybe some simple stitches to work with that to show off the yarn, you know. Not probably a hat and scarf set, maybe a blanket would be really pretty. My daughter would probably like that in a blanket. I love it. It's so soft, and as you can see, as I mentioned, it is the roving style, and roving in its nature can go from thick to thin, but it looks like it's leveling out to be about a 4-weight. But there'll be times that it'll hit a 3-weight in spots, and maybe in a bulky 5 in a couple, because I always say that it's just the nature of the roving. It's beautiful. I love that. So I got 2 of those. And then I got some mystery bags. Mystery cake bags. Now, if I get these in it, I'm going to be so upset. No, I'm not going to be upset. I'm not going to be upset. It'll be ironic. I'll say that. Because when I got one, I kept trying to get another one, and I never got it. And I'm like, I'll just wait for them to go on sale, and I'll just buy them outright. So that's what I just did, because they were on sale. Let's see what's in these boxes. Now, let me tell you a little bit about their cake yarns. Cake yarn mystery bag. So they usually have cakes of their cakes of yarn in them. They're Sultan yarns, all different kinds. They got Shadow and the Kings, and you just don't really know what you're going to get. But they did raise the price of them a bit. They used to be $40 a bag. Now they're $43, unless you buy, I think if you buy 2, you can get them for $38 a bag, and if you buy 4, you get them for $36 a bag. Well, that's good. Just say they're around $40 a bag. So that makes, and there's 4 cakes in each one, but you don't know what the cake is, and it's not going to have a label. But you can look on their site, and you'll be able to see exactly what it is. I think which makes it good, because you're only paying $10 a cake, when normally these things run, when they're not on sale, anywhere from $25 to $40 a cake. So I always think it's good. So you guys want to see what's in here? I'm super excited. Oh, that was close. I was like, oh no. I got this. But I love this. This is beautiful. It is not the same as the one I just bought. As you can see, the one I just bought has purple on the outline. And that was the one I was doing for my project. But this one's just beautiful. Now remember, these are normally almost $40 a cake. I'm just trying to think off the top of my head, because I don't have my laptop here to look it up. But I'm thinking that that's about what they are when they're not on sale. So, and I just got 4 of them here. Well, I actually got them for around $10 a cake is what it is. I got this pink one. That's beautiful. I have one I want to make my daughter a dress out of. So these are the Cotton King Sultan Deluxe. So the king of all kings, like I say. This is a 100% cotton. It's a very nice, very drapey. This pink is beautiful. I love that. I am definitely keeping that one for my daughter. I have one at home I want to make her a dress out of. She might like that one better. That's gorgeous too. I have this one and this one as well. So this came in 1 cake mystery bag. Very nice. Because like I said, these normally run close to $40 a piece. But these just don't have a label. But I know, you can tell exactly what they are. But I only paid $10 each for them. Actually, just a little bit less, because I got more than 1 bag. And if you buy more than 1, it's a little cheaper. Alright, let's move on to the next. Let's see if they're all going to be the same, or they're all going to be different. This one looks very similar, so I can kind of see it in there. It is. No, it's not. It's different. Oh my. Look at that. That's beautiful. You know what? I have a shawl on my channel, excuse me, made out of this exact one. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's this one. Isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. And these are the Cotton King Deluxes. This is a score. What a score. I'm going to have to look up and see how much these are regular to let you guys know. But I'm thinking it's close to $40 a piece. And I just got them for like 10. Oh, look, a black one. Black and gray. That's pretty. It's different than this gray one. Similar but different. It's got that black on the outside. I like that. Oh, and then I got another pink one. If I get enough pink, you know what? Since I got 2 pink ones, I would be better at putting 2 of them together and make my daughter a dress that way. And then that would, you know, equal a thicker weight yarn. It's nice. I like that. And then I got another one of these rainbows, but it doesn't have the purple. These are beautiful. And they smell like a yarn store. Okay, let's see what I got here. And this one. Oh my gosh, it's more of the same. That's okay. I like getting double. So I got another black. And another one of these beautiful blues. That is so pretty. I loved it so much. This was the first cake I think that I ever made a shawl out of, was this color. And then I got another purple this time around. And another rainbow. Very nice. Okay, I got one more bag to show you. And then we'll call it quits. Alright. I got another rainbow. But I didn't get any of the rainbow with the purple, which is good, because then I would have felt bad for paying for those. Not really. It would have been awesome just as well. Another gray. So that gave me 2 grays I got total of. And then I got another black, which gave me 3 blacks and another purple. So out of those 4 mystery bags, I got 3 purples, the 2 pinks, which I know I'm definitely going to make my daughter a dress, but I'm going to use both of them at the same time to do that. And then I got 4 of the rainbows, which are beautiful. Just a little bit different than the ones that I paid for, because I did want it to have the purple on the end for the complete rainbow. But these are still beautiful. And then I got 2 of the blues, which are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, and 3 of the blacks and 2 of the grays. Alright, before I go, I did just look up how much these are on a regular. They're $36 a piece. So I got them for about $10 a piece. They're on sale now, though they're not $36. That's why I bought them. I think they're like $23 now. But still, that's a good deal. So yeah, I paid $23 for those rainbow ones because I wanted them. I've been waiting for them to go on sale. I couldn't justify paying $36 for them. So, but I did pay the $23 so I can make what I wanted to make with it. And all these other ones, since they were mystery, they're all the really good Cotton King Sultan Deluxes that normally run $36. I got them all for about $10. And then, yes, these are $11 right now. The cookie, which I really like this yarn. It's nice. And yeah, that's what I got. So it's a lot of fun. I love opening mystery bags, regardless of where they come from. Thank you, everybody, for watching. And I can't wait to make the dress. This pink is so pretty for my daughter. I'm going to hold 2 together. And my rainbow project. Probably take me a little while, but I'll get that done soon, too. I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Take care. Bye, guys.